Okay, what we're going to go through today is called an 8-point star. So I'm going to start off with 4 squares of paper, and I started off with 2-inch squares, and then you cut them in half diagonally. So you'll wind up with 8 of these. Then, to start off, you want to fold it in half along the long side. So you've got the long side up. You'll fold it in half that way. Now this is origami paper, so it's a little bit thinner than regular paper, but it will work with regular paper just as easily. And I'm using a bone folder to help with the creases. I'm going to unfold that and fold each side down along that center fold. So it should be lined up, and it doesn't matter which side you start with on this. Fold that together. Then I want my opening at the bottom, and I'm going to take each side and fold it out even with the outside edge. It also doesn't matter which side you start with on this fold either. Put that on each side. And then you're going to flip it over. Now, your one point is down at the bottom, so it looks like this, and you want to fold up along the center this way. And you have to start with the right side on this part of it. So, I'm going to fold that up along there. Crease it, and then you fold the left side. Same thing, right up along that center crease. Fold that down, you're going to flip it over and do it around so you'll have the 2 edges that way. Now, after you've got all 8 of your pieces folded, I'm going to put these on top of a scratch piece of paper, and the way they go together, you want it this fold up, and I'm using the Tombow glue with the small end. I just want a tiny bit of glue here, and then I am going to line up this piece with that center fold and work my way around. Same thing. Center fold. Now on these, if you have a pattern, you want to make sure that your pattern lines up. In the center. My pieces are all just shades of color. I'm not worried about lining anything up. It would be nice if I could get them to stick, however. Okay, now on this last piece, I want the glue, same thing, on the right side, but I also want to put it on the right side of the top of this last piece. And slide it in that way. And there is the completed 8-point star.